Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Maddie's World 223. 233. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get a YouTube channel. So it's super fun. So basically, first, what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube. And then here, probably in the front, it'll say sign in. So you want to sign in with any Google account that you have, but probably not sign in with your school or work account. And then you just click on your channel, clicking your picture, and you press your channel, like right here, and it'll bring you to your channel. Automatically creates a channel for you when you sign into Google. So yeah, and then from here you can press customize channel, and it will bring you to YouTube Studio. And first, basically, you want to do is maybe you want to change the name of your channel. So you can come to settings. I don't know why I said it like that. Settings. You can press channel right here, and you can change the name of your channel. And it'll take like a day to change. It'll take like a day to change it, cause like I tried changing mine, and then the next day it was called Maddie's World. I don't know why, but yeah. And like advanced settings, you can pick if you wanted it a kids channel. I have it for a kids channel, and yeah. And then let's just close this. And then also you can have branding, so you can pick the oops, sorry, 1 second. You can pick the little profile picture for your channel, and if people log into your channel, what's like the little banner image. And here is a watermark that will appear in your videos in the right corner. Oh my god, right corner thing, like maybe little pictures of other videos that you recommend in the video, stuff like that. And here you can come to subtitles, and you can see how much your videos, how much like subscribers or blah 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 and views you got on it. Here you can just do this, like I don't know what this is, but it'll say how much subscribers and how much views and you have, and just other important stuff that I don't really know about. Oh, 1 second. Sorry, I got a text. Okay. And channel playlists and your content. So it'll say how much, what's the date you gave it, if it's public, and if you want to edit it a little bit, then it'll repost it with it being edited. And oh, okay. So here is some background music you can add into your videos. Here's some free music, some sound effects, and some starred. I don't know what this is, but yeah. And cancel. This is feedback for YouTube. Okay. And monetization. Why did I say like monetization? It's very weird, but okay. Monetization. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. Basically, this is very, very, very. Sorry if I screamed into your ear. Very important, because this matters if you want to really if you want to make money from your channel. So it's like right here. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. Monetization, I think it was, has a little money sign on it. So it says you have to have over, I don't know what number this is, but I think it's 1,000 subscribers. As 1,000 subscribers to be eligible to get money for your YouTube channel. And you have to have 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. So basically, you just can't, like, exactly when you start your videos, you don't get money. You have to be eligible. You have to have over 1,000 subscribers at least. And you can press notify me when I'm eligible. And yeah, you can press notify when eligible, make a few videos, and then when you have 1,000 subscribers, YouTube will send you a quick email and say that yeah, you're making money for now getting YouTube videos. And sorry, I got another text message. So yeah, that was really important. So yeah, that's basically it for my video. I really do hope this helped you guys of making a YouTube channel. Um, So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.